Milwaukee County leaders launched a new website offering resources to help residents recover from the floods.
And the website will serve as a hub for anyone in need. Duke Carter with that story.
Milwaukee County leaders revealing at a news conference here at the courthouse that the process to recover is not going to be overnight. It's going to take time. That's why they revealed a new website where people can have a list of resources to make sure they can do that recovery effort one step at a time.
It's going to take collaboration. It's going to take time. But it's also going to take some partnership to make sure that our community is whole again.
The new website has data, flood resources to help people recover, as well as it includes information about Milwaukee County emergency management personnel currently conducting damage assessments of homes and businesses impacted by flooding and collecting data on the full extent of the damage to the community. As of now, 150 emergency response personnel have been deployed to conduct damage assessments, and 2,400 homes have been assessed. County leaders say early estimates of damage cost millions and expect that number will grow as more assessments are completed.
They continue to evaluate the impact on public infrastructure, as the county executive spoke of, roads, park systems, bridges, waterways, of the such, and preliminary damage assessments already exceed $23 million.
County leaders are urging people to take caution while removing debris.
If you're not getting stuff out of your house and getting it dry, whether it's with fans, with dehumidifiers, with towels, whatever you're doing to get things dry, you're going to start having mold growing.
While people are still recovering and cleaning up from the historic floods over the weekend, the county leaders are urging folks to dial 211 so that way they can better assess the damage for the entire county. Reporting in Milwaukee, Duke Carter, WISN 12 News.
And so if you have any damaged items or debris, Milwaukee has 2 drop-off locations. You can go to Industrial Road or the site near 38th and Lincoln through Sunday with no charge. If you have items like furniture and appliances to throw out, leave them by the curb and call the city and they'll come pick them up for you.